It's Young John, the wicked producer. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to try and do a talk through video today because it's like it has been a long while that I've actually spoke to you guys and have a conversation with you guys, and I'm also trying to address some of the comments that I've been getting in some of my videos. And yeah, so let's get right into this video. So what I did is my hair is already washed and I applied the hair fertilizer on my hair and some what is it called, coconut oil in my hair. Guys, this is my hair 1 year after cut. This is the progress of 1 year. As you see, my hair, the shrinkage is pretty much, but nevertheless it's okay, I can work with it. So I'm just going to brush this hair all out and I'm just going to try and put it in a bun. And yeah, let's get started. So one of the comments that I really wanted, or some of the comments that I really wanted to address is that I've been getting on my video is that my grip on my client hair, some of my clients' hair were so tight. Guys, I have to be honest with you guys, my grip is not tight at all. I myself have a very sensitive head, so I tend not to do people hair not so tight. And if you can see most of my videos, I try to curve, like if I'm doing a cornrow for somebody, I try to tend to curve the cornrow a little bit so that they pull the way of like the, what is that, how would I say it, it would not pull the edges back so much, and it's going to release the tension as well. And that is what I do. And another thing that I wanted to address is the amount of views on my videos. Guys, I have to say I am in shock sometimes when I upload a video and I come back to the video and I see you only have like 50 views, or even less than 100 views. And guys, I have a lot of subscribers. For a small YouTuber, my YouTube started growing last year. I think it should be September. I started uploading video around December 2016. My YouTube started growing 2017. I think it was in July. And one of my most popular video is how to cornrow. That video I think have over 600,000, I mean no, 360 something thousand views. I'm very happy for those views, guys. And yeah, and also my subscribers are growing, but my views are very low. I'm still not in the 2-digit yet when it comes to my subscribers. I'm still in the 1 digit, but I'm very close in the 2-digit. So I don't understand. Maybe you guys can help me out and just maybe tell me. And if you're interested in any particular video that you really wanted me to do, just leave a comment down below and I will see if I'm able to do it. So just ask me whatever you want me to do, like tutorial that you are interested in, and I'll try my best, guys, to do it. So I just try to put my hair in a bun just like this. I would prefer to use the black gel for this, but because I don't have black gel at home right now, I'm just going to use this gel.
love.